Good morning and welcome back to Hidden Oaks. It's Nicole and we're gonna have a busy farm day today. I gotta go feed these animals and I can't even see because, well, glasses and humidity and it's hot. So let's go, take care of everybody, and then I'll talk to you a little bit about the garden and what we've got going on today. Hey, buddy. Sweet girl. It's 6 a.m. Sun hasn't really started coming up yet, but the animals are fed and I'm out here in the garden trying to get a few things done before the sun comes up and before I have to report in for work for the day. I'm probably gonna take a few breaks in between today because I have a lot of harvesting to do today. The okra is ready, the peppers are ready, the jalapenos, well, also peppers. Eggplant needs to be harvested and given away because, well, we found out we don't really like it all that much. So we're giving it away to local families who are eggplant fans. So that's what's happening in that regards. And I guess I just won't be growing it again. But it grows really well. So it did really well. So there's that. The beans need to be harvested, at least the first batch, and then we're going to can those away for future use as well. Tomatoes are getting to a point where we can pull a lot off, and I'm freezing them away to be able to make a big batch of tomato sauce, salsa, and all of that. So it's going to be a busy weekend. coop and plenty of area for the chickens and the birds to run inside the pasture. Two of them don't really go with the rest of them. So we have our female peacock, and I just found her nest, which is awesome. And then our one chicken that we got from a neighbor, we adopted her and her 8 babies last year, and she just kind of hangs out with the feeder pigs all day. And she made a nest in the garden as well. So I got a bunch of eggs that I need to collect. I doubt they're any good because I don't know how long they've been here, so I need to test them out and see. But yeah, 2 nests in my garden, and then who knows where else they're laying. So it's always a little Easter egg hunt around here. We've got some animal action going on here on the farm right now as well. Peppa just had her litter of babies, so we got bunches of little piggies running around. They are the cutest. They're 2 days old now, so super tiny. We added some kittens, some stray kittens, not stray kittens. Somebody rescued them and they needed a new home, so we took in some kittens that were going to hopefully train up as barn cats as well. No names yet, so we'll see what the names are going to be for that. I'm sure the kids are going to come up with something. And other than that, we just got some broody mamas right now. We're doing a little science experience, I guess you could call it. We're letting them hatch some eggs. So we have 2 broody hens as well as a broody turkey who is hogging chicken eggs. So I'm just letting them be and do their thing and be mamas. We got plenty of eggs, so it's not like we're short. So we're just gonna let them hatch them out and see what happens. Lacey, you gonna have babies? How many you got? How many you got? Let me see. Holy smokes. Well, that leaves me with 3. If you would have asked me 10 years ago, I probably would not have talked about gardening and animal care as much, but this is really keeping me sane right now. I'm super busy with my corporate job, and coming out here with the animals in the garden, they get me back to a better place when I'm stressed out with work. So I really enjoy it. I would much rather stack wood and wrestle pigs than sit behind the computer. So I need to find a better balance with that to really be able to take a break, step away from the day-to-day, and enjoy what we're building here. my alarm just went off. It's time for me to go to work. I'm gonna take a break out here for a little bit. I've harvested some of the stuff, but I'm gonna leave the fun stuff down for the kids because I'm gonna pick them up later today from summer camp, so they are really gonna enjoy picking watermelon and beans and peppers. We got plenty of those, so they're gonna have some fun with that, and I'm gonna be glad to have them home. Let me know what you guys do with your garden, what you're up to right now, and let me know what you're doing for work-life balance. Like, how do you figure it out? I'd love to hear from you. I'll see you in the next video, and thanks for watching.